So thank you so much for being with us here today. For our viewers, can you please introduce yourself and give us a brief about your company designation and your experience as an engineer?
My name is Engineer Adedayo, Michael Adebiyi, the CEO of 3rd August Engineering Consultants, located in Abuja. And my company, 3rd August Engineering Consultants, is into consultancy services on road, bridges, and some building projects. And we have our clientele spread all over the country. And at the moment, we have some boys on the field supervising our design projects, most especially road works and bridge works. And we've been trying to see how we can improve on the system we're meeting and increase the status of engineering practice in Nigeria. And the future is very bright.
Okay, so how did you come to know about Midas and what made you choose Midas?
Well, I came to know Midas through Engineer Lawa and during one of the conferences. From there, I found out that it's more user-friendly and they had a lot of potential.
So now that you have had an initial feel for Midas, what do you think is its best feature?
If we look at the benefit cost analysis, it's still greater than 1, which is a good thing and in the engineering practice. And we believe that Midas have a lot of potential because especially it's going to be for our market, which is a emerging economy. We know that there are a lot of infrastructure development coming up and which Midas will come handy in use rather than going through the long-term process, though the engineering sense and the engineering capability of the user have to come into play, because if you depend on the software without having engineering sense, you might end up messing up the whole thing.
How do you think Midas programs can help Nigerian engineers?
Will surely help Nigerian engineers. I will put in the word that a serious-minded Nigerian engineers, not just those who just want to learn how to use software, because you need sound engineering judgment before you can use Midas, not just putting in figures and getting out results without being implementable. You need to really equip yourself, to know how to effectively, use the software, not just to use it. So, and Midas have that potential that if we are able to invest in their, development, human capacity development, Midas will go a long way in assisting.
So, sir, thank you so much for having taken the time out to give us this interview. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.